Tribunal to shifts Tinubu inauguration due to petition written to court by the resident of Abuja on the issue of 25% vote.
Importantly, the case was called for mention today, and I think his learned judge was very dispassionate in asking for our lawyers to prepare an address on jurisdiction, prepare an address on why they want him to give rulings regarding the demands. And I think a short adjournment is good. What is important is that we all agree that we must have a president who wins as provided by the Constitution, not a president who wins by subterfuge, by deceit, not a president-select, but a president-elect. And that's why we're here, and our lawyer has spoken to the court about why it's important, and I think that the court understands the importance and the urgency of it. So we're going to be back here on the 18th. But very importantly, for everyone who's listening to us, we're insisting that Section 134 and Section 135 of the Constitution should be given proper interpretation, and the rights of those who live in Abuja, the rights of those who are voters in Abuja must be taken into consideration before you swear in any president.
The tribunal also ruled that Labour Party and Peter Obi will require 7 weeks to give evidence in their case. They will present 50 witnesses to court who will testify for 30 minutes in court. Excluding the time for any electronic demonstration of evidence, the court will rule on it. Subsequently, Labour Party spokesperson has claimed that the APC wants to hurry LP by reducing the time expected for LP to gather all the necessary facts, including access and review of the BVAS, so as to enable them present as much evidence as to put the court in a position of delivering justice without bias.
Kenneth Okonkwo, the spokesperson of Labour Party Obidati Presidential Campaign Council, and one of the lawyers representing His Excellency Peter Obi and Labour Party in courts for this petition. That Nigerians should know why they declared a winner in the dead of the night. They are opposing these things as if there is something to hide. Why would an umpire oppose Nigerians hearing something publicly? So it's very disturbing. So the court has adjourned for ruling on that issue.
That the all-progressive candidate didn't secure in the Federal Capital Territory FCT, the judges sitting in Abuja has advised the federal government that the inauguration
that INEC has a lead counsel. I believe that something good may come out of a chat that I'm supposed to have with him today, because until now, if you ask me, and I say it with every degree of emphasis, that INEC sees itself as a candidate in an election that it conducted. I say it with every degree of emphasis, going by the conduct of INEC, and that is true. Now, you would have noticed, for those of you who were in court, that no other party is complaining about not getting any documents. You should ask the question, why is it so? Because they have been provided with documents, except the petitioners, who have not been provided with the required